Hi, I'm Alex, and welcome to the Music Development. Now that we've learned a couple of chords, we'll try putting them together and adding one more as well. Start with the C major chord. Strum it once. Remember to gently brush the plectrum across the top 4 strings for this. Then keep your fingers glued in place and add your third finger to the 2nd fret, 3rd string to make our A minor chord. Strum that once from the 5th string. Now let's play each chord for 4 beats. Try to only move your 3rd finger on your fretting hand, as that's the only difference between these chords. Keep the other 2 fingers in place. Let's play each chord once for 4 beats. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now we'll speed up the changes a bit by playing the chords in a crotchet beat, so we're strumming on every click this time. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now we'll add another chord, a G7 chord. Don't worry about its name for now. For this, we just put our 1st finger on the 1st fret on the 1st string. Just strum from the 4th string, and it should sound like this. Now we want to play the following sequence of chords: C major, A minor, G7, C major. We've looked at going from C major to A minor, but what about A minor to G7, and then G7 to C? So, strum your A minor chord. Our G7 chord just has the 1st finger on the 1st fret on the 1st string. Now our 1st finger is already on the 1st fret, just not on the right string. So release your other fingers and hop your 1st finger over to the 1st string, and that's it. Remember, you only play from the 4th string for this chord. Try going between them a few times. Now G7 to C. We need to do the opposite of before. Shift your 1st finger back to the 2nd string, and then add your 2nd finger to the 2nd fret, 4th string, to make our C chord. Then, when you're ready, try playing the sequence with me, just strumming each chord once every 4 beats, and playing the whole sequence twice. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now we're speeding up the changes by playing crotchets, so strum on every click. 1, 2, 3, 4. So, in general, when changing between chords, try and find something that the two chords have in common, whether it's a finger that's already on the right fret, or maybe a finger that doesn't have to move at all. In this case, our first finger was already on the right fret for each chord, we just had to change strings. That's all for now. See you in the next video.